Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Window Stitch pattern. This is a fun pattern to do. You will need to know how to do a treble crochet for this project. If you need help with that, you can look down in the description below on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, we will want to do multiples of 12 plus 1. And for this tutorial, I'm going to do 12 chains plus 1. Now that we have all of our chains, we are going to want to start by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to want to do our first treble crochet, followed by 6 more treble crochets across the chain. Alright, now that we have 7 treble crochets total, we will chain 2, skip 2, and treble crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2, skip 2, treble crochet in the last stitch. Finishes off row 1. Now to start row 2, we will chain 5. And we will do another treble crochet in the next treble crochet stitch. So we will skip the whole first square. Again, we will chain 2. We will skip the next square, and we will do our treble crochet in the next stitch. And just like with row 1, we'll repeat and do 6 more treble crochets across for a total of 7. And that finishes off row 1 and 2. For row 3, we will chain 5. We will skip 3. And treble crochet into the 4th stitch, followed by chaining 2, skipping 2, and treble crocheting in the next stitch. Then we will work 2 treble crochets in the chain 2 space, a treble crochet in the next space, and then 3 treble crochets in the chain 5 space that we made to build up this row. Now what I like to do is do my 2 treble crochets in the chain space, and then my 3rd one is actually going to be in the chain wall itself, and this is just to give it a nice cleaner edge. Alright, and that is the end of row 3. So here we go, the last row, row 4, we will chain 3, and we will work 7 treble crochets across the row. Now we will chain 2, skip 2, and treble crochet in the treble crochet from the last row, chain 2, skip 2, and we will do our last treble crochet in the chain wall just like before. And again, this is just to give it a nice smoother edge. And there you have it. That is how you do the window stitch. You would just repeat rows 1 through 4 to get the desired size you would like, and you can see that it ends up creating a diagonal for the patterns. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.